Are you getting this? Is this line working? Can you hear me? We are getting some serious interference from whatever the hell is going on in that room. Okay, good. Hi. So only time for a quick recap before we get started. We don't know how long we've got before this window closes, but we've got to make sure we are all on the same page before going crazy with the fabric of space-time or whatever it is that we're doing here. First of all, you're here because, supposedly, you are the foremost expert in this field. I don't know if anyone really knows what's going on in here, but they tell me you're our best shot. No pressure. So as you should already know, this equipment has been observing the behaviour of quantum particles for the last 15 years. Recently, the observed area has been reporting some very curious readings. It was discovered that when directly observed, the quantum phenomena in this room began to replicate the behaviour of sound waves. By tuning into a specific frequency using the radio that you see in front of you, it's possible to completely transplant the sonic surroundings of the room. The signal is currently very weak, so that's where you come in. We need you to find a way to strengthen the signal, figure out where it's from and what they might want. You will also find a control panel in the room. Use it to make any changes you feel will help you complete the mission. We haven't had a chance to fully test this system, so I guess you're our guinea pig. Anyway, you should be all caught up. From now on, I'll leave you messages on this tape recorder. We don't want to influence the space with any more signals than we need to. To check for new messages, just tune back into the current frequency on the radio and press play on the machine. I think that's everything. Good luck.
B3.
B3. B3.
B3. B3.
One of the research assistants remembers hearing what sounded like coordinates in the static. Maybe you could see if they have any relation to the controls on the device.
Three. B3.
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 Hello? Hello? We are you. We are you from another universe entirely. We want to share our technology with you and exchange knowledge about your world. The connection is still not strong enough. You want to do more on your end to synchronize our worlds. We can only do so much. You must accept our request. C1, that's the broadcast code. We have entered it here, but you must accept. Synchronize with us. Great. Now, isn't that so much better? We can actually hear ourselves think. Hello. We are you. From a universe parallel to your own. While vastly superior in technological capability, we find our universes are overlapping and at risk of collapse. We need you to open communication channels technologies to help save both our worlds. The connection is almost stable enough for us to stop spending our precious energy resources on it. Just one more should do it. We need you to enter one last code before we can engage the final stage of pairing mode. The code is 241.
We're rapidly losing your signal. I don't know how much longer we can keep our connection with you open. We're receiving bursts of static. You might be on your own for... Don't trust them! Listen close. We don't have much time. Our technology is still too weak. We can't overpower them for long. You have to refuse the connection. Only use the pairing button in their world and not your own. This will refuse their offer and save your universe from catastrophic consequences. They only want to use your world to power their own. Don't trust them.
Great. Now, isn't that so much better? We can actually hear ourselves think. We're almost there. Just one more step is required of you. Go back to your own world and confirm the connection using the pairing button. This will establish a permanent line between our worlds and we can begin our fruitful partnership. You must pair with us from your world to allow us in. So, straight up, sorry, there is a chance, weeny chance, that this pairing may have resulted in the complete devastation of your universe. Teeny chance. Sorry, but gotta do what you gotta do. If it's any consolation, you've given our universe an unlimited supply of quantumium to survive. It was for the greater good, as in, we're greater and you're not so good. I mean, if we hadn't done it then, we would have both been destroyed at one time or another, so there's that. Right. Bye.